Hello guys, have a good time. I am Beharan and I am with you in the 9th Python language training session. In the previous session, I discussed the second part of the string data type, and in this session, we will also review the conversion of data types to each other. Well, let's go to the Visual Studio software and create a Python file. To convert the data, it is enough to write the name of the variable type as a function of it. And now we will do examples of this together. Well, I will create a variable named myAge and set its value to 22, which is an integer type. To change its type to float, it is enough to put the name of the variable inside the float, and to see the result, I will print its type. As you can see, it is completely correct, and our value has changed from integer to float. Well, it is the same way to change the data type to string and list. As you can see, it is completely correct, and the data type conversion for the rest is executed correctly. Okay, we will finish this session, and in the next session, we will check the get information from the user and a mini project, and I will teach you about it. Until the next meeting, I hope you have a good day.